Today's message from Archangel Michael. Dear brothers and sisters of light, today we are honored to receive a powerful proclamation from our beloved Archangel Michael, the angel of protection, strength, and truth. This formidable archangel, known for his sword of light and his shield of faith, has a special message for each of us on this day. Archangel Michael tells us, "From today, with my sword of light, I remove the chains that bind you and the blindfold. I free you from what limits you, from what prevents you from seeing clearly. I offer you the freedom to explore, to grow, and to be fully yourself. Now you can see with new eyes, with eyes open to the truth of your divine being. You can see the world and yourself clearly, and you can see the love and light that exists within and around you. I assure you that you will always be protected with my blue ray of protection. This ray is a constant reminder that you are always loved, always guided, and always protected. Do not hesitate to invoke me when you feel the need for protection or strength. I am here to come to your aid and provide support in your time of need. I invite you to live with courage and have faith in yourselves. Remember that you are divine beings, endowed with immense power and potential. Use this power for your prosperity and for the good of all. I am Archangel Michael. May this message from Archangel Michael inspire and guide you on your path to freedom and prosperity. With love and blessings, I am Zoe, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Together we will be able to learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you.